Now previously we have seen the types of AP. So finite AP and infinite AP. जेव्हा infinite AP असतो, okay, so in that case if you don't know the nth term, then in that case we use first formula. And in finite AP जेव्हा आपल्याला लास्ट टर्म माहीत असते, सो फायनाइट AP मध्ये वी नो द लास्ट टर्म. सो इन दॅट केस स्मॉल एल इज नथिंग बट द लास्ट टर्म. सो फायनाइट AP मध्ये लास्ट टर्म आपल्याला माहीत असते. सो इन दॅट केस यू कॅन यूज सेकंड फॉर्म्युला. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी example of how to find the sum of n term. Hello students, so today we are going to learn the next point or the next chapter, arithmetic progression. So here are some points from this topic. So introduction, nth term, that is how to find the an, sum of n terms, that is how to find Sn. So formula for an and the formula for Sn we are going to learn. Okay, so if you learn formula and some examples from this topic, so definitely you can attempt the questions from this topic. So this is important and the easy chapter from 10th standard. So let's start the arithmetic progression. First we will see the introduction, the definition of AP. List of numbers in which the each next term is obtained by adding fixed number to previous term. Okay, so this is the AP, this is the example of AP. इथे आपण AP चे example पाहिले 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 so on. Okay, so this is AP. Okay, so याच्यामध्ये काही टर्म्स आहेत. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन, द ईच नेक्स्ट टर्म. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म. गिवन AP मध्ये ती फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू असते. द फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू इज नथिंग बट द फर्स्ट टर्म. सो फर्स्ट टर्म वी डिनोटेड ॲज A और A1. सो फर्स्ट टर्मला A आणि A1 दोन्ही आपण कन्सिडर करू शकतो. ओके, सो A इज नथिंग बट द फर्स्ट टर्म, A1 इज ऑल्सो फर्स्ट टर्म. And the next term is obtained by adding fixed number. So what is the fixed number? एक कुठला तर you can see here. So this is +3. First term here is the 1. 1 मध्ये +3 ॲड करून the next term, that is 4. 4 + 3 7. 7 + 3 10. 10 + 3 13 and so on. So प्रत्येक वेळेला आपण एक फिक्स नंबर ॲड केलेला आहे. सो दॅट इज फिक्स नंबर इज नथिंग बट द कॉमन डिफरन्स. सो प्रत्येक AP मधला जो दोन्ही नंबर्समधला टू टर्म्समधला जो कॉमन डिफरन्स आहे, द डिफरन्स इज द कॉमन. सो डिफरन्स वाय इट इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरन्स. सो डिफरन्स हा प्रत्येक वेळेला कॉन्स्टंट आहे. डिफरन्स हा प्रत्येक वेळेला बदलत नाही आहे. इट नॉट वॅरीज, इट इज कॉन्स्टंट. सो तो कॉमन आहे. प्रत्येक वेळेला डिफरन्स हा सेम आहे, दॅट इज कॉमन डिफरन्स. सो +3 + 3 + 3 प्रत्येक वेळेला दोन्ही टर्म्समधला जो डिफरन्स आहे दॅट इज सेम डिफरन्स, देअरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरन्स. This is A1, the first term it is denoted as A1, next term A2, next term A3, A4, A5 and so on. The last term it is AN. आता ह्यामध्ये किती लास्ट टर्म आपल्याला आपण वी कॅनॉट प्रेडिक्ट. लास्ट नंबर आपल्याला माहीत नाही किती असेल, आपण सो ऑन म्हणलेलं आहे. सो AN, nth term it is denoted by AN, that is the last term, or we can say the nth term of an AP, it is denoted by AN. So A or A1 we use for first term. Common difference it is denoted by small d. Okay, and AN is the nth term of an given AP. Okay, so what is common difference? So common difference it can be positive, it can be negative, or it can be 0. Okay, so common difference हा प्रत्येक वेळेला पॉझिटिव्हच असतो असं नाही. इट कॅन बी निगेटिव्ह, इट कॅन बी 0. when the common difference is positive, APच्या व्हॅल्यूज ह्या वाढत जातात. ओके, सो इट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, अँड जेव्हा कॉमन डिफरन्स इज निगेटिव्ह इट इज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, म्हणजे जेव्हा APच्या व्हॅल्यूज ह्या कमी कमी होत जातात. ओके, सो वी next time we will get the smaller number than the previous number. Okay, and when the common difference is 0, तेव्हा the all values are same. common difference 0 आहे म्हणजे आपण त्याच्यात काहीच ॲड किंवा मायनस करत नाही. सो एव्हरी टाइम द व्हॅल्यू विल बी द सेम. ओके, you can take an example 4 4 4 3 3 3 0 0 0 1 1 1 -1 -1 -1. So these are the all examples for the when the common difference is 0. Okay, so जेव्हा common difference plus असतो तेव्हा the AP is in ascending order. When the common difference is negative, AP is in descending order. And when the common difference is 0, the all values are same of an AP. Okay, so next point is the types of AP. So there are two types of AP, finite AP and the infinite AP. So finite AP has limited terms, we can count the number of terms, In infinite AP there are unlimited terms. We cannot count the number of terms of this AP. Therefore it is infinite AP. Easily you can तुम्ही finite and infinite मध्ये categorize करू शकता. जेव्हा डॉट डॉट, if it is not given dot dot, then it is finite AP. If it is given dot dot, then it is infinite AP. Okay, so here are some simple questions. Okay, so 1-2 मार्काला असे काही questions येऊ शकतात. So how to find A and D from given AP. जर AP दिला असेल, then how to find A and D. Okay, so it is simple. So first term, you know, the A is nothing but the first term of an AP. जर AP दिला असेल तर त्याची first term जी असते, the first value is taken as a that is first term. Okay, carefully note down, जेव्हा AP is in descending order आणि जेव्हा value कमी कमी होत जाते, in that case the D is definitely negative. Okay, so ह्या केस मध्ये D हा negative असतो. So here A or A1 are nothing but the first term of an AP. So don't get confused, A and A1 are the same. Okay, so first term लाच आपण A पण म्हणतो, A1 पण म्हणतो. Okay, so A and A1 are the first term of an AP. Okay, A2 is the second term. So either second term is the A2, that is 4. So common, how to find out the common difference? You can take difference of any two terms, next term minus previous term. Okay, so not necessary प्रत्येकाला first and second termच घेतली पाहिजे. So कुठल्याही दोन नंबर मधला difference you will get the common difference, the next term minus previous term. See, so common difference is equal to difference of any two terms, the next term minus previous term. Okay, so इथे आपण second term मधनं first term minus केली. So second term is 4, first term is 8. So 4 minus 8. Obviously the difference will be minus 4. If the given AP is in descending order, so definitely the D will be negative. So ही descending order मध्ये AP असल्यामुळे ह्याचा definitely D हा negative असेल. So here D आपल्याला negative मिळाला, that is D is equal to minus 4. You can see this is AP in fraction form. So AP हा fraction form असेल, then how to find out the A and D? Here first term or the first value of AP is the A or A1 is equal to 1. Okay, and the second term A2 is equal to 3/2. Okay, so first term second term आपल्याला मिळाली. Now take a difference of next term minus previous term. So therefore D is equal to A2 minus A1. So difference of next term minus previous term. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 3/2 minus 1. So common difference here we got, that is D is equal to 1/2. Here are some examples of how to find A and D from given AP. हे आपण आता पाहिलं. Okay, so general form of AP. So this is the general form of AP. The A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so in this is the AP sequence. So this is first term. So you know, so previously I have told you that the A is nothing but the first term, that is A1 and A are the same. So first term A or the A1 are the same. So A1 is nothing but the A, A2 is nothing but A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, and AN is nothing but the A plus n minus 1D. Okay, so you can see आता फर्स्ट टर्म मध्ये आपण एव्हरी टाइम व्हॉट वे, जसं आपण AP ची डेफिनेशन पाहिली, सो we add some fixed number, that is common difference in previous term, and then we will get the next term. So हा जो previous term आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जो काय आपण fixed number, that is common difference आपण add करतो, then you will get the next term, that is A plus D. Again in this we add the fixed term, that is D. Again we add D, therefore A plus D, that is A plus 2D. Okay, again A plus 2D मध्ये परत आपण D add करणार, then next we will get A plus 3D. ओके, सो प्रत्येक वेळेला आपण D ॲड करत जातो, देअरफॉर इथे फर्स्ट टर्ममध्ये D आपण ॲड नाही करत, देअरफॉर हिअर इट इज नॉट D. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टर्ममध्ये D ॲड केला A प्लस D, अगेन D ॲड केला A प्लस 2D, अगेन D ॲड केला A प्लस 3D. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज नथिंग बट A1, सेकंड टर्म दॅट इज A2, थर्ड टर्म दॅट इज A3. सो यू कॅन सी जो काय आपण सेकंड टर्म आपण हिअर A2 इज द सेकंड टर्म. सो D हा जो काय इथं सेकंड टर्मचा नंबर असतो त्यापेक्षा एकने कमी असतो नंबर ऑफ डीज. सो इथं A2 सेकंड टर्म, therefore number of D's are 1. This is third term 3, that is number of D's are 2. Therefore if we are to find nth term, that is An, then the number of D's are n minus 1. सो nth टर्म फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, देअरफॉर नंबर ऑफ डीज किती असणार आहे, एकने कमी, दॅट इज n-1. ओके, सो दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ AP. नाउ same, so this is an, that is the nth term formula here we have used. Okay, so nth term, how to find nth term, an is equal to a plus n-1 into d. Okay, so if you know first term, that is a, if you know common difference, that is d, and if you know the n, that is number of terms, if you know a, d and n, so you can, so we can find out the an, that is nth term of an AP. Okay, so this is formula for finding nth term, that is an of an AP. So find a10 where a is equal to 0 and the d is equal to 3. Okay, in this we have to find a10, that is 10th term of an AP. Okay, so first, that is a is given, d is given, so जे गिवन आहे ते आपण लिहून घेतलं. सो a10 फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, देअरफॉर n इज इक्वल टू 10. हे तिन्ही जर व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला माहीत असतील, सो इझिली यू कॅन फाइंड आउट a10, दॅट इज 10th टर्म ऑफ एन AP. सो वी हॅव टू यूज हिअर फॉर्म्युला फॉर an. हिअर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट a10. So use the formula for finding nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n-1 into d. So put the values, a is equal to 0, n is equal to 10, d is equal to 3. सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज पुट केल्या. Now 0 plus 10-1, that is 9, 9 into 3. Okay, now follow the Bodomos rule. So always remember Bodomos rule नुसार कोणताही सम आपण सॉल्व करतो. So see here, so in this Bodomos, first solve bracket, order of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in this first multiply and then add. Okay, so इथे multiplication पण आहे, addition पण आहे. So in this follow the order, that is first we have to multiply and then add. So 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 0, that is 27. Okay, so nth term, that is a10 is equal to 27. So using this formula you can find out the nth term or an of given AP. Okay, the next question related to nth term. Okay, so previously we have seen if a, n and d is given, then how to find an. Okay, now which term of AP is given, the nth term given, that is -81. Okay, so this is some different question. Okay, if a from given जर AP दिला असेल, then from given AP you can easily find out a and d. Okay, so here a, that is first term or first value, a is equal to 21, d you can see the values are decreasing, values कमी कमी होत चालल्या. सो दिस इज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. जर जेव्हा AP डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डरमध्ये असतो तेव्हा d हा मायनस असतो. ओके, सो यू कॅन सी a2 minus a1, दॅट इज d is equal to -3. Okay, so an, that is nth term is given, that is an is equal to -81. So in this which term is n, we have to find out n. इथे आपल्याला n find out करायचं. ओके, we have to solve this sum using nth term formula, that is an formula. An is equal to a plus n-1 into d. Okay, now put the values. What is the given? A is equal to 21. Okay, we don't know n and we have to find out what is the value of d, -3, and an is given, that is -81. So values put करून we have to solve. Okay, now this is plus 21, shift केले की -20 होईल. Okay, so plus 21 इकडे आले की -21 होईल. Okay, so minus minus plus and the sign remains same, that is -102. Again n-1 into -3, that is -3 into bracket n-1. so both side minus minus आहे म्हणून कट केलं. ओके, सो 3 इथे मल्टिप्लाय, सो 3 अँड ब्रॅकेटमध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे. सो 3 इकडे आलं की डिव्हिजन होईल. सो मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं अपोजिट ऑपरेशन डिव्हिजन. सो 102/3. सो डिवाइड केलं, सो n-1 इज इक्वल टू 34. -1 शिफ्ट केलं की +1 होईल. सो देअरफॉर n इज इक्वल टू 34 + 1, दॅट इज 35. सो आपल्याला nची व्हॅल्यू 35 मिळेल. दॅट इज नथिंग बट द which term? 35th term is the -81. Okay, so using formula of an you can solve such a type of examples. Okay, the next point, that is sum of n terms, that is Sn. So how to find the sum of n terms or the Sn? Okay, so here are two formula for finding the sum of n terms. So first, Sn is equal to n/2 into bracket 2a plus n-1 into d. Okay, so हा फॉर्म्युला आपण कधी यूज करू शकतो? इफ यू नो व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a, d and n. ए डी आणि एन जर आपल्याला माहीत असेल देन यू कॅन डिरेक्टली यू कॅन यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला. ओके, नाउ दिस इज सेकंड फॉर्म्युला. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Okay, so what is L? L is nothing but the last term. Okay, so हा फॉर्म्युला now previously we have seen the types of AP. So finite AP आणि infinite AP. जेव्हा infinite AP असतो, okay, so in that case we, if you don't know the nth term, then in that case we use first formula. And in finite AP जेव्हा आपल्याला लास्ट टर्म माहीत असते, so finite AP मध्ये we know the last term, so in that case small l is nothing but the last term. So finite AP मध्ये last term आपल्याला माहीत असते, so in that case you can use second formula. Okay, so if the AP is the infinite, then use first formula. If AP is the finite, then use the second formula. Okay, now we will see example of how to find the sum of n terms. Find sum of 20 terms where AP is 8, 3, minus 2, so on. Okay, so you can see this is infinite AP, so this type of AP is infinite AP, so we don't know the last term or the nth term. Okay, so in this case we have to use first formula of Sn. The first term, that is a is equal to 8, so difference of 2, a2 minus a1, that is minus 5. So the AP is in descending order, therefore the value of D is negative, that is minus 5. And 20 terms ची sum काढायचे, therefore n is equal to 20. So we have to find S20. Okay, the type of AP is infinite, therefore we used here the first formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so put the values. A is equal to 8, okay, D is equal to minus 5, n is equal to 20. So values put करून आपण solve केलं. So 10 into bracket 16 plus 19 into minus 5. So again follow the Bode-Morse rule. Okay, use the follow the Bode-Morse rule. Okay, now first multiply and then add. So multiply केलं, plus minus minus, so minus 95. Again the difference, the sign of bigger number, that is minus 79. So 10 into minus 79, minus 790. Okay, so sum of first 20 terms is minus 790. Okay, so this is the descending order FE, therefore you will get the sum in negative. Okay, so इथे तुम्ही म्हणाल की sum negative कशी आले, the see you will get the all negative numbers, therefore the addition will be minus or negative. Okay, the next example, find the sum of terms where first term is 5 and the last term is 50. If the first and the last term is given, then how to find the sum of n terms. Okay, so in this case first term and the last term is given. Okay, so जेव्हा finite AP असतो, now this is the finite AP, आपल्याला first and last term माहिती आहे. Okay, so in this case we have to use second formula of Sn. First term, last term and the difference is given, then using this first we have to find the n and then we have to find Sn. So first an चा formula use करून first find the n and then find Sn. So using formula of an, put the values of a, d. Okay, the an is given, a is given, d is given. So values put the values and find out the first n. So n आपल्याला 10 मिळाला. Okay, now we have to use, now we have to find out the sum of 10 terms. Therefore finite number of finite AP असेल, then we use the second formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l. So first term, last term we know. Okay, so S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 into bracket 5 plus 50. So values put करून if you solve, you will get the S10 is equal to 275. Okay, so sum of 10 terms ची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. ओके, सो Sn in this case how to find Sn आपण पाहिलं. सो जेव्हा फर्स्ट टर्म अँड लास्ट टर्म आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स दिलेला असतो, देन फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड द n अँड देन युजिंग द सेकंड फॉर्म्युला यू कॅन फाइंड आउट द Sn. ओके, जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर डेफिनेटली लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब करा. नाव वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. जर तुम्हाला काही डाऊट असेल तर यू कॅन कमेंट इन कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.